Greetings, my name is Rebecca McCarthy with South Seattle Community College. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to connect Google Drive, what used to be called Google Documents, to Canvas, our learning management system. And then we're going to look at how to submit an assignment in Canvas using Google Documents. So the first thing I will cover in this video is how to connect your Google account to Canvas in the settings area of Canvas itself. Next, we will briefly look at how to create a Google document, and finally I will demonstrate how to submit your document to a Dropbox in Canvas. Here I am on my landing page after I have signed into our learning management system, Canvas, at South Seattle Community College. The first thing you're going to want to do is to navigate over to Settings. Settings can be found on the far right-hand side of your browser on the top area. It is important to note that if you're using a browser, I highly suggest that you use either Firefox or Google Chrome and avoid using Internet Explorer while using Canvas, the learning management system. Once you are in the settings area, you'll see all your information here, email addresses, contacts, and if you keep scrolling down, you'll see services that you can actually add and link to your Canvas account. We're going to want to link our Google Documents to Canvas. So click on Google Documents. We want to authorize Google Documents access to Canvas and Canvas having the ability to access your Google Documents. Of course, if you don't have a Gmail account or a South Seattle Community College account, you're going to need one of these accounts before you can actually take this step. Once you have authorized Google Documents access, you'll be brought to another window and you'll ask which account you would like to use. I'm going to use my account here. And I'm going to be asked for permission, that I'm giving permission for these two different things to communicate with each other. I say allow access. And that's as simple as that. Now, if you're not signed into your Google account at the time, you may be asked to put in your Google password. If that is the case, go ahead and fill that out. For the next step in this process, I'm going to show you how to make a Google document. First, you have to sign into Google, and often when you sign into Google, you go right to your Gmail. If you go over to the far right-hand side, next to your name, you'll see this little box. It's a bunch of squares inside a square. Click on that box. This is going to give you a bunch of options. You'll want to go to your Google Drive because that's where Google Documents are now kept. And I'm going to click on that. Now let's say that you want to make a new document for an assignment you have in class. Go ahead and navigate over to left here to the Create button. Go ahead and click that Create button. Choose whichever type of document you want to create. It may be a regular document, you may be doing a PowerPoint presentation, a spreadsheet, a form, and so on and so forth. Go ahead and click Document. Once you are in the word processing area, you can go ahead and create whatever you need to create. Just don't forget to title your document correctly. Assignment Week 1, screenshot. Now, in this assignment, you'll want to go ahead and complete the assignment itself, whatever is being asked by your instructor. And I'm just putting in a silly phrase here so that I have it. And then we're going to want to go back to Canvas because we're going to be ready to submit it once you are finished composing. Now I'm in a class here in Canvas that I am taking, and I'm going to go where my assignments are. And I'm going to navigate to the assignment that's due. Here I have Capture Screenshot. And let's pretend that I basically have already done that in my Google document. To submit this assignment using Google Documents, I'm going to navigate over to the right here and I'm going to click on the Submit Assignment link. What you'll see, you'll have an opportunity to upload a file, upload a Google Doc or media. Now this will look different depending upon what types of files your instructor has deemed they want to see from you. But in our case, we're just going to want to upload our Google document. Now Google Documents here, Canvas that is now accessing my Google Documents. It's going to look through all my documents to show me what files I have so that I can submit this assignment. I happen to have a lot of files in Google Documents, so this might take a little bit of time. As you can now see, Canvas has pulled up all my different files and assignments that I have in Google Documents, all my different documents and so on and so forth. The one I prepared for this class was Assignment Week 1 Screenshot. So I'm just going to click on that, and then I'm going to click the Submit Assignment button below. This is now going to retrieve a copy of this Google document, and it's going to put it on Canvas for my instructor to grade. Depending upon the size of your document, this uploading process may happen quickly or it may take its time. Once the document has been uploaded, you'll be taken to a new page in Canvas, and if you look over to the right, you'll see that your assignment has indeed been turned in. And that is how you connect your Google Drive or Google Document account to Canvas, and also how you turn in a Google document as an assignment in Canvas, the learning management system at South Seattle Community College. I hope that this video and these instructions have been helpful. Thank you very much for your time. If you have further questions, make sure to reach out to your instructor asking him or her for further clarifications. Goodbye.